Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone number is active and capable of receiving SMS or calls. This is how Apple verifies you. Sign into your Apple ID on the device and keep your iCloud password handy. Once signed in, open Settings and go straight to Apple ID password and security. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. Apple often requires it to use a phone number for account recovery and communication. This sequence gets you into the right menu to change contact and verification method. Now add or edit trusted phone numbers under password and security. Tap Add a trusted phone number and enter your number with country code. Choose whether you want SMS or phone call verification. SMS is fastest. Calls work where SMS fails. Once you submit the number, Apple sends a verification code to that number. Enter it when prompted to confirm. Also check that Messages and FaceTime use your number on this device, because linking them removes reliance on an iCloud email for contact. Finish by setting your phone number as a primary contact and recovery option in Apple ID settings. This tells Apple to prefer the number over an iCloud email. Once done, sign out of iCloud email addresses on other devices if you want the phone number to be the main identifier. If verification fails, make sure the carrier delivers SMS, the device has correct date and time, and there's no SMS blocking. If problems persist, try a voice call verification or contact carrier support for message routing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.